In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to add order tags. We'll walk through using tags and saved views so you can quickly surface the right items and keep your workflow clean and fast during fulfillment. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, open Products. We'll begin here because the interface for filtering by tag and saving a reusable view is clear and sets you up with the same logic you'll use when working with orders later. At the top of the product list, look for the toolbar where filters and actions live. If you see a More Actions menu in your toolbar, that's just where Shopify groups extra options. For what we need, focus on the filtering controls. Open the filter controls and choose Tag as the filter type. This tells Shopify that you want to narrow the list based on an existing tag. When the tag selector appears, pick the tag labeled Sample Product. As soon as you select it, your list refreshes to show only items that carry that tag. This is a great way to isolate a specific set of items for review, bulk edits, or reporting. Now that you've built a useful filter, let's save it so you don't have to repeat these clicks next time. In the toolbar, click Save As. Shopify will prompt you to name this view. Type a clear, descriptive name that tells you exactly what this view contains, such as Sample Product Tag, and then click Save. You've just created a saved view that you can return to with a single click. A quick recap. You opened Products, applied a tag filter, selected Sample Product, and then used Save As to store that filter as a named view. That's the core flow you'll rely on whenever you want fast access to tagged items. A few tips to make this even more powerful. Keep your tag names short, consistent, and intentional. Tags drive filters, automation, and reporting, so clarity matters. If a tag isn't appearing in your selector, it likely hasn't been added to any items yet. Apply it where needed and it will show up. Saved views are shared with your team, so choose names that everyone will understand. And if you're organizing orders, you'll find the same filter and save pattern in your orders section, letting you quickly focus on orders that carry specific tags for processing or automation. That's it. You've learned how to filter by a tag and save the result as a reusable view, giving you a quick,